Welcome to Simply Science TV Young Scientists. Today we're diving into the amazing world of photosynthesis. Have you ever wondered how plants eat? They don't have mouths like us. Instead, they have a super cool way of making their own food. It's like magic, but it's actually science. This process is called photosynthesis. Pretty cool name, right? Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Imagine a plant as a chef. Just like a chef needs ingredients to cook, plants need specific things to make their food. And guess what? They find these ingredients all around them: air, water, and sunlight. Plants are like tiny food factories, working their magic all day long. They take simple ingredients and turn them into energy-packed food. This food helps them grow big and strong, just like the food you eat helps you grow. Now, are you ready to learn the secret recipe of photosynthesis? Let's dive in and explore this amazing process. Okay, young scientists, let's break down this process of photosynthesis magic. The first ingredient is sunlight. Plants are like solar panels, soaking up the sun's energy with their leaves. Think of sunlight as the fuel that powers the whole process. Just like your stove needs gas or electricity to cook, plants need sunlight to power up their food-making factories. This sunlight is captured by a special ingredient inside the leaves called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is like a plant's secret weapon. It's what makes plants green and allows them to capture the sun's energy. Now that we have the fuel, let's see what other ingredients go into a plant's recipe for food. Besides sunlight, plants need two more key ingredients to cook up their food: air and water. You know plants need water to grow, but did you know they also drink it through their roots? The water travels up the plant's stem all the way to the leaves, where the photosynthesis magic happens. But what about air? Air is a mix of different gases, and plants need one in particular: carbon dioxide. People and animals breathe out carbon dioxide, and plants take it in through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. So there you have it. Sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide are the three essential ingredients for photosynthesis. The kitchen inside a leaf. Remember chlorophyll, the plant's secret weapon? Well, it hangs out inside tiny structures within the leaves called chloroplasts. Think of chloroplasts as the kitchens inside the leaves, where all the cooking happens. Inside these chloroplasts, the real magic begins. The plant uses the sun's energy captured by chlorophyll to mix water and carbon dioxide, just like a chef mixes ingredients. This process creates a special kind of sugar called glucose. Glucose is like the plant's favorite meal. It gives them energy to grow, flower, and even produce the delicious fruits and vegetables we love to eat. Photosynthesis, fueling life on Earth. Photosynthesis is much more than just a plant's way of making food. It's a vital process that keeps our entire planet alive. As plants make food, they release something amazing into the air. Oxygen. Yes, the very air we breathe comes from plants. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, creating a perfect balance in the atmosphere. So next time you see a plant, remember that it's not just standing there. It's hard at work, producing food for itself and oxygen for us. Photosynthesis is truly a wonder of nature, essential for life as we know it. Photosynthesis pop quiz. Ready to test your photosynthesis knowledge? Here's a quick quiz. 1. What is the name of the process plants use to make food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Digestion. The correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. 2. What gives plants their green color and helps them capture sunlight? A. Chlorophyll. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Water. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll. 3. Where in the plant does photosynthesis mainly take place? A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. The correct answer is C. Leaves. 4. What important gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Oxygen. 5. What type of sugar do plants produce during photosynthesis? A. Fructose, B. Glucose, C. Sucrose. The correct answer is B. Glucose. And there you have it, young scientists. Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food and give us oxygen. Isn't nature amazing? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. Thank you for watching Simply Science TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video for more interesting science videos every week.